here we have a brand new TF125 Suzuki, and a lot of the parts of this bike will end up on my TS125, because there's things like air cleaner which is missing off the other bike, the exhaust, the wheels, brakes, engine, front forks, all those sort of things add up to more than what it costs to get this all refurbished and redone. So all those bits will end up on this bike, and we'll end up with a pretty well absolutely brand new condition TS125. The only thing we'll have is a new engine which won't match numbers, but I will be keeping the original engine, so if I sell it, people will get the original engine. So there's things I can't swap over, like lights, indicators are different, so I'll sell all those. They're all the bits that we got with the bike, they'll be going for sale. Handlebars will be for sale. A few other bits and pieces. These are the brand new tyres, Dunlop D803s, and up here we have brand new Speedo, brand new front guard assembly, got the duckbill for the front, a few other bits and pieces, and yeah, so it's going to be a bit messy in the garage for a while, but we'll end up with, I'll make some space and we'll end up with a brand new bike very shortly. But pretty happy with this. So there will be a few parts for sale: the seat, the fuel tank, probably the frame eventually. I'm sure there's probably a farmer out there that wants the frame and the swing arm, rear springs. I think these are longer than the TS, so I can't use the springs, just the shocks, just, yeah, that won't work. So yeah, there'll be a lot of parts that I can sell off both bikes that I don't need. So there we go. So I'll be posting more videos on how all this goes together over the next few months. Yeah, pretty happy. It should be a nice looking little bike when it's finished. Have the best day.